Hello, I'm Sarah Supple, and I'm here with another Title Time. Today I wanted to talk about some land court lessons, a couple questions that we've gotten asked over the last couple weeks that I thought I'd share with you guys. Number one, 6D, condo complaints. So actually, if there is a condo complaint on file and we get a clean 6D under the REBA standard that will, when it's recorded land, clear that complaint, the land court will do the same thing. They do need you to do a request to remove under the guideline 21, I believe it is. But they will remove it with a clean 6D, which is, I thought was a little mind blown because I thought they would give us a hard time about that. The second one is the Land Court Guideline 14, which is a memo when we had the updated MUPC. So it's what I call the death memo. And what it does is it assists attorneys on how to handle when the current title holder has passed away. So whether you can take under method, there's 4 methods: power of sale in the will, you can take under license, petition the court with a complaint for the devisees to be in the new certificate of title, or a death certificate if it's a joint tenant or a husband and wife tenants by the entirety, and then you'll also need an affidavit of no divorce. The third little lesson tidbit was they have a delayed recording guideline, basically that the land court will not take any documents that are dated over a year old. So they have to be dated within the year to be accepted for registration. There is one caveat. If the title holder has since passed, the land court will not take the deed. They will require you to probate, and then you're back to the death memo. So we've seen this a couple times when there is an estate planning situation where an attorney puts the Sarah Supple into a trust, Sarah Supple is trustee of a trust, and puts it on the recorded side instead of the registered land. They will not accept that deed if I have since passed. So that's one caveat to that. And then the last one I would say is when you're dealing with a condominium and it started out land court, or it's part registered and part recorded land, and you want to remove it from registration. There's 2 ways to remove it from registration. You want to be mindful of the way that the statute allows for there to be a note on their certificate. Then you can start selling off units if the land court has yet to issue the decree of removal. You can't do that on the other way, but feel free to reach out and I can go over it with you in more detail. So thank you. That's it for Title Time. Best way to reach me is sara.supple@fnf.com. Thanks. Bye.